Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see high protein chicken soup for weight loss. This hearty protein packed chicken soup helps build lean muscle, keeps hunger at bay and supports your weight loss journey with clean simple ingredients. Ingredients: 1 cup shredded cooked chicken breast, a lean high protein ingredient that promotes fullness and supports metabolism. 1 cup chopped spinach or kale, low in calories and rich in nutrients like iron, vitamin C and fiber. Half cup chopped carrots, adds a natural sweetness and texture with minimal calories. Half cup diced tomatoes, no added sugar or salt, adds rich flavor and antioxidants. 2 cups homemade chicken broth, made by boiling water with bone-in chicken, onions, carrots, celery, garlic and herbs like parsley or thyme. For homemade broth, combine these ingredients in a pot of water, bring to a boil and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, strain before use. 1 teaspoon olive oil, a healthy fat that enhances flavor and helps absorb nutrients. 1 teaspoon cumin, supports digestion and adds a warm, earthy flavor. Salt and black pepper to taste for seasoning. Instructions: prepare ingredients: shred cooked chicken and chop the vegetables. Cook in a pot, heat olive oil over medium heat, add carrots and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in tomatoes, shredded chicken, chopped greens, chicken broth, cumin, salt and black pepper. Simmer. Let everything simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until vegetables are tender. Serve. Ladle into a bowl and enjoy warm for a nourishing, protein-rich meal. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.